Thereafter, in 1996, I took a break. I went to the University of London, where I had studied a diploma in the advanced legal studies. I got a diploma from there. Since that time, I've been practicing law, spanning almost 31 years as a private practitioner. I have represented various clients, both individual clients and corporate clients. I have also had a stint in politics. In 2007, I ran for parliament for Kitutu Church North, and 2017, and also in 2022, I ran for the Deputy Governor, Gusii County. In the year 2023, Honorable Speaker, I was appointed to chair the KenGen board, where I've had the opportunity to lead the board and the leadership team in that organization. I provided leadership since that time until I'm still a chair there. So I know that in leadership, you learn to lead organizations. You also have the opportunity to study in that organization. Honorable Speaker, in terms of my suitability to this position, I have had an experience, a large experience, in handling complicated matters in court. I have also had the opportunity to understand what the education docket entails. Honorable Speaker, our Constitution provides under Article 43, under Article 53, and also under Article 55 for provision of education to the children of this country. And the Ministry of Education, under the Basic Act, the Basic Education Act, and also the TVET Act, plus the Universities Act, expands that mandate so that the provisions therein are espoused and has to be undertaken by the Ministry of Education. The role of a CS, Honorable Speaker, is to ensure that those provisions, that mandate, is undertaken by offering leadership in policy and putting the team together so that they achieve the goals in that particular act.
That will do. I will invite